Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm getting some stuff done around the house and bringing you some cleaning motivation, and I'm also bringing you along with me to Trader Joe's, and then I'm going to share a haul of a bunch of fall goodies that I picked up. So hopefully you get some fall vibes from today's video as well. And I'm starting off with making our bed. Whenever I'm feeling like I'm wanting to be really productive, 3 things that really make me feel like I'm getting it all done is having our bed made, starting a load of laundry, and cleaning our kitchen. So I'm going to be sharing those things with you in today's video. So hopefully this can serve as a reminder as well that getting it all done doesn't have to mean cleaning your whole house. It can be just a simple task and you can still make it a productive day.
Trusted, will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy.
And today's video is also a collaboration with some awesome ladies here on YouTube that are also sharing a fall homemaking video. So I will be sure to link their channels and videos down below so you can go check them out and get some more cleaning motivation and all of the fall vibes.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
And like I said, doing a little laundry also really makes me feel productive. So I'm getting that done, and then I'll move on to cleaning the kitchen. And if you're new here or you stopped by from one of the other channels for today's collab, welcome. My name is Lorena and I love doing videos on decorating, cleaning, organizing, just all things home. So if you love any of that, I would love for you to subscribe. Decorating videos are my favorite, and I've done a bunch of fall decorate with me videos, which I'll have them linked down below. And I have my fall home tour for my next video, and then I'm gonna do a Halloween decorating video. So lots more fun videos to come, and I would love for you to stick around.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
There actually wasn't too much to do in the kitchen. I just put away clean dishes, and then I had a few dirty ones to wash, and then I'm going to clean the countertops, and then after that we'll head to Trader Joe's. I was a little sad because I was running out of my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray, but I also went to Target and I found some, and then I also picked up just a few more things, which I'll also share in the haul when we get back. Okay, just wanted to do a really quick Trader Joe's haul, and I got a couple things from Target that I'll share as well. So some fresh flowers, of course, I always pick them up every week. I already have some, but some were dying, so I got these to add to them. And then some kombucha. I love, these are my favorite flavors, the Watermelon Wonder and the Gingerade. They're so good. And then I got this popcorn, the maple and sea salt kettle corn. It's so good. I've had this before. Delicious, just that sweet with the salty. Super good. And then I got this little, it's called a cinnamon whisk. It looks like a miniature broom, and it's just decorative, and it smells like cinnamon. So it's super good, and I'm just going to put it somewhere in my kitchen, and it'll make our kitchen smell like fall. Super cute. And then my mom, she went with me, and she got this one, this little sugar skull, and it has a little real plant in there. Super cute. So if you want something like this, Trader Joe's has a bunch of just different colors and designs. Her favorite color is blue, so she got that one. Super cute. And then I already opened these, but I love these. They're so good. The dark chocolate orange sticks. So if you like anything chocolate and orangey, these are delicious. And then I got some organic pumpkin just for some recipes this fall. And then for some quick lunches, I picked up the corn and quinoa salad. It's one of my favorites. And then I also really like this one, the lemon basil pasta salad. It's super good. And then I got this autumnal harvest soup. It's really good. I always get them during the fall, and they're just a really good like quick lunch or dinner. And then I also got the pasta sauce. So super easy to add with pasta for a quick dinner recipe. And then I got my doggy Batman some pumpkin dog treats. I got them last year and he really liked them, so thought I would pick them up. And look at how cute this is. It says actual size of the cookie, and then it says not actual size of the doggy. Oh, that is so cute. And then I also got these pumpkin cranberry crisps. They look really good. I really like cranberry, so hopefully they're yummy. And then I got this pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookie mix. I've had it before and it's really, really good. And then got some pumpkins. I'm going to do the little like wash and just rinse them, and that way they can last for a while. And then from Target, I just picked up a few things. I got like essentials, but then I also got some fall goodies. I got the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and the apple cider, my favorite, and it was the last one, so that was good. And then I got this adorable pumpkin mini waffle maker. I have one for pretty much every season except fall, so I was excited to find it. And then I also found this at the dollar spot. It's a little fondue maker or set, whatever it is. It's really cute, so you can just put like a little candle, and then it has a little sticks, and you can make fondue or melted chocolate for like chocolate covered strawberries and fruit. So I thought it was super cute, and it was only $5. So those are all the fall goodies that I got. Just wanted to share. Just putting all of the things away. I hope that you guys enjoyed that Trader Joe's and Target haul. I love shopping at Trader Joe's, and I especially love all of their seasonal things, and I also really love their fresh flowers. I always get them from there, and I feel like they're the most affordable and they last a good while. So I'll put together the fresh flowers in a second. Like I said, I had some already, but some were dying, so I just threw away the ones that were dying, and then I added the ones that I got today.
We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
Just cleaning off this mess, and then I'm gonna wash the pumpkins. I was so excited to finally get real ones, and when you wash them, they're supposed to last you a little bit longer, so hopefully they last the rest of the fall season. And then I'm also gonna put out the little cinnamon whisk that I got. I love it. It's super cute, but the little string was a little too short, so I added a longer string. That way it can go around the handle of our pantry door, and it has been making our kitchen smell like cinnamon and fall, so really good.
Let me love
So I just used the Dawn Power Wash and gave them a good scrub and then rinsed them off. And then I got a bottle and filled it with water and a little bit of bleach, and then I sprayed them down. I let them sit for a few minutes and then rinse them off, and this is supposed to make them last. Let me know if you have tried it or you're going to try it, so hopefully this works.
It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't.
Okay, just dried them with a towel, and I'm letting them finish drying here, and then I'll put them outside. And that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some cleaning motivation and enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to check out all the other ladies' videos. I'll have them linked below, and I'll see you on my next one for my fall home tour.